Have you ever wondered how stay-at-home moms, especially blue-collar ones, are making money from their phone? It's because instead of social media being a scroll hole, they've actually turned it into a money-making machine because they learned how to do digital marketing. They've learned how to do these 3 things. Their phone. They don't have to leave their homes. They don't have to sacrifice time away from their babies. And number 3 is going to blow your mind. The first thing that they did was they learned how to post on social media. They found out how to actually post a video, attract people to them, and never have to beg, borrow, or plead with anybody ever again. Number dose is actually having the consistency, having something set in your day that every single day you're posting, you're going live, and you're building traffic and bringing people to you so that people actually know you have something valuable. Number 3 is investing in yourself. It's having the skills to be able to do things at a faster rate so that you're not out here shooting in the dark trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. I invested into a digital program, which is how I've had an $8,300 month last month, and how I'm learning the skills to be able to turn my phone into financial freedom. Comment the words "I'm ready" in the comments, and I'd love to share.